The total number of coronavirus cases in Australia has risen again to more than 230. The latest infections have been reported in Victoria, where authorities say they have 13 new patients. Before that, 3 more people were diagnosed in both South Australia and Western Australia. New South Wales has also reported 20 new patients. Chief Medical Officer Brendan Murphy emphasised the federal government's call for social distancing to slow its spread.
We have early evidence of community transmission, mostly in New South Wales, but a little bit in other states. This is a preemptive move to get ahead of the curve. Social distancing can be difficult for the community, we understand that, and we understand that the community is with us on the need to try and slow the spread of this virus in our community.
In South Australia, the latest infections include a woman in her 30s who travelled from the UK and a man in his 50s who arrived from the US. The third is a woman in her 80s who'd been overseas and in contact with another confirmed case.
Cabinet ministers file into the State Administration building for a special weekend meeting as the health emergency escalates.
We are all taking this very, very seriously. We all know that this is a global epidemic which we will not be immune from here in Australia. But by working in advance, by working together, we can minimise the effects that we have here in South Australia.
The Cabinet will meet twice weekly as it tries to stay on top of the situation.
This is a fast-moving situation and we are receiving information on a continuous basis. The AHPPC and the CDNA, I understand, are both meeting daily. We are in a unique situation where we are not only getting information from every jurisdiction around the country, but we're also getting expert information sent to us by the World Health Organisation and other jurisdictions so that we can learn from the things which have worked and the things that haven't worked in other countries of the world.
South Australian schools will close for at least 24 hours if a student tests positive. 2 classes from Adelaide's Sacred Heart Senior School are in isolation after a teenager was diagnosed yesterday. Health officials are urging people to remain calm but not complacent as the number of local transmissions grows. The focus of testing remains on those who have recently travelled overseas or had contact with a confirmed case.
I'm keeping in close contact with all those clinics to make sure that we are keeping up with demand. We have additional clinics at the Women's and Children's Hospital, the Lowell McEwen and Flinders, and so it is possible if there was a problem with managing to keep up with demand that patients may be asked to go to one of those other clinics. But I am very confident that we are providing an excellent level of testing in South Australia.
Emily Burley, Sky News, Adelaide.